If you want to group some of your schedules into a profile or under a tag name to apply them in bulk, so not one by all of them at once, you can create a profile here under the tab Profiles, New Profile, and let's say that we want to create a profile for Freightliner trucks under 5 years. Then you can add the schedules to this profile. Here we have two schedules. We will add both of them. Add schedules and save profile. So we have here our profile, and it shows us that it has two schedules. And now, if you want to apply the schedules to a truck, let's say that we have this truck, a Freightliner, and we would like to apply all the schedules from the Freightliner profile. We can go to Add Schedules, Apply Profile, and select from the list the profile that you want to apply. And you see here that all the schedules that are grouped in this profile are applied automatically, and you just have to select the date when it was performed last service for every schedule. For example, the engine air filter has been changed, let's say on 1st of August, and the oil has been changed at the same time. Add schedules, and now you see these schedules have been applied to this truck. And if you go to the maintenance dashboard, you can see that we have two schedules applied. And in our profiles, we have one profile with two schedules, and if you open any of the schedules, you should see that it has been added to a profile.